Right now, the cleanup continues after southern New England was hit with a second round of snow overnight.
This latest round of snow canceled school for thousands of students across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts.
State police say they only responded to 2 weather-related accidents overnight. In both accidents, a car hit a barrier. Luckily, no one was injured. State police say the public heeded the DOT's warning to stay off the roads, which is very unusual.
Now, the storm did cause some travel delays on the roads as well as at TF Green Airport, and it forced detours on several RIPTA routes. Let's take a live look right now at the roads right now, which are clear and dry tonight.
And we have live team coverage of the latest storm and its impacts. Tony will have the latest on what we can expect to see tonight in just a minute.
Molly O'Brien is live in Warwick, one of the many communities where students had the day off. But first, we go live to Eyewitness News reporter Brittany Schaefer. She's in New Bedford, where school officials are defending their decision to have school today. Brittany?
Mike, Caroline, New Bedford schools had a 2-hour delay. The district tells me it was a tough decision, and they actually thought they would get more snow than expected. Round 2 of the season's first snowstorm dumps up to 8 inches in parts of southeastern Massachusetts. Most school districts canceled school Tuesday, but New Bedford Public Schools opted for a 2-hour delay. The school's manager of communications and public affairs tells me the decision was made last night.
We were surprised, like everyone else, by the crack of dawn, but the call had been made. Had we known probably earlier that the snow totals were going to be up, maybe this decision might have been called off.
The district says all buses arrived at school without incident this morning and says the roads were even better for the ride home. Arthur Mata tells me the decision to have a 2-hour delay rather than cancel school was a tough one.
We'll be very, very careful next time. This particular storm, and you know, we consulted our meteorological services through the city of New Bedford, was a real close call. I think we were right on the cusp. And then it stalled, and then it lingered.
Mata says decisions to cancel school are more difficult when you have to make the decision the night before.
It's a careful balance, trying to give parents enough time. If you call it at the crack of dawn, back, when I was a kid, you listened to the air raid sirens, and that was at about 5 o'clock in the morning. That isn't the way it is anymore.
And the snow continued to fall through early afternoon in New Bedford, but Mata tells me an early dismissal was not considered. New at 6 how southeastern Massachusetts is cleaning up all this snow. For now, live in Fall River, Brittany Schaefer, Eyewitness News.
First tonight at 6. It's taken a couple days, but our first winter storm of the season has finally moved out.
We didn't get a ton of snow, but we got enough to make it tricky around here. Let's give you a live look here from our jam cam. Conditions out there are currently better than, let's say, compared this morning, though it wouldn't hurt to be careful on some of those side streets.
Now, earlier we got a brief taste of some blue skies and sun just in time for a beautiful sunset this evening. And we have team coverage tonight. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca and Eyewitness News reporter Molly O'Brien are standing by.
But first, let's go live to Brittany Schaefer, who's in Fall River. Brittany?
Mike, Caroline, the snow has stopped here in Fall River. 3rd Street is looking clear, but earlier when we were driving on some side streets, there was still some slow and slush on the roadways. Now the snow itself is wet and heavy, making difficult work for people out shoveling. 1-year-old Hazel Kate is making snowballs in the season's first major snowstorm.
This is her first time actually in it this year, so she likes it. She likes to look at it from inside a lot too, but she seems to be enjoying herself even though we're just standing. Definitely makes it more fun than the usual just shoveling out, so gives you a different perspective.
People are left cleaning up after another several inches of snow blankets southeastern Massachusetts in round 2 of the storm. Joe Medeiros tells me Fall River got hit harder than he expected.
I think this is more snow than we had all last winter. It seems like a lot more than 1 to 3 inches. And it's a little bit wet, so it's a little bit heavy, but I just want to get rid of it before it freezes over later on. Medeiros
was out shoveling with his tenants Tuesday. He says it's backbreaking work, but he's thinking on the bright side.
I don't really mind. It gives me a little bit of a workout. I haven't been working out lately, so this is like it gets all the muscles going. I'm just careful, take a break.
Well, we do all this house all the way around. You go for the neighbors and stuff. So tired.
And here in Fall River, school was canceled today, but it looks like class will be back in session Wednesday. Live in Fall River, Brittany Schaefer, Eyewitness News.